Yeah, good afternoon. It is Saturday, the 10th of February 2024. This is Jim from JAGfx.com. This is my weekly analysis video where we have a look at some of the pairs, some of the Forex pairs I'm trading on the daily time frame using the high probability and divergence trading methods from my books. All right, hope everyone's weekend's going fine. And when I said good afternoon, it's actually still morning for me, just up pretty early on a Saturday, which is unusual. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe button. This is going to be an actual pretty busy video, and I get it, they're not the most exciting videos, so I get that. Normally we have a look at the news for the week ahead, so see if I bring that up. All right, this is the Forex Factory free economic calendar. The good thing about it, other than the free part, is that you can set it up to your local time zone. So for me, I'm in Cambodia, so Indochina time, same as Hanoi, same as Ho Chi Minh City, Bangkok, same. And I'm only interested in high impact news events. So that's why I only see red. You don't see any orange or yellow ones. And the other grey ones are like holidays and stuff like that. So Monday is nothing happening except for a holiday in Japan. And early on Tuesday morning, we got the Bank of England Governor Bailey speaking. So just a talking head. New Zealand inflation expectations. This is all on Tuesday now. UK claimant count change. Nothing exciting. But then it picks up a bit out of Switzerland, CPI numbers, and also the CPI numbers, core price index numbers out of the US. So the potential market movers there. UK on Wednesday, CPI numbers. Then again, their Bank of England governor speaking again, busy person. Not sure if it's male or female. I never know who's who. I know the Australian one's a female now. I know that. Our governor, Bank of Australia, Reserve Bank of Australia, whatever it's called. Employment numbers out of Australia on Thursday, which is a potential market mover. So be careful around that. GDP out of the UK and the retail sales out of the US. Unemployment claims also the US. So potential market movers there. Friday retail sales out of the UK and US. We've got core PPI numbers, etc. And prelim university. It's either Michigan or Missouri. I always get that mixed. Let's just confirm it. I'm going with Michigan. You watch this. Here we go. Yeah, University of Michigan. I've got no idea what it is, but if you just click on that and you can read that, what it tells you all about, I've got no idea. Doesn't interest me. So that's it for the news. It's not a huge week, but there's a couple of things in there you've got to be careful of, especially on the shorter time frames. I'd say nothing to get concerned about on the daily time frames there, but certainly if you're trading the 1 hour charts or 4 hour charts, you may be just watching a few things a bit tighter. All right, before we get into it, let's have a look at this Word document, if I can find it. There it is. Now, most of the people who are watching these videos have read my book, so they understand all the different colours and settings, etc. on the charts and what the indicators are. But if you don't, or English is not your first language, you're having a bit of problems, not understanding, or you're new to the books, just pause the video, have a read of this Word document. It just explains all the different colours, the lines, the settings, the moving averages there, the QMP filters, the red and green dots on the price chart. Red basically means anything bearish or selling. Green or blue is bullish or buying. Grey vertical lines, they're just warning lines. If you see a green horizontal line, it's normally green dash lines, big numbers, parity, round numbers, etc. All right. And the bottom indicator below the price chart's the MACD Platinum, just a zero lag MACD, oscillates around the zero level. Generally, I'm looking to sell when it's above the zero level and buy when it's below the zero level. So that's it in a nutshell. So let's get on to the charts. You can have a read of that document. Like I said, just pause the video and have a read of that. All right. Let's have a look at the charts. Let's see, what am I looking for? Trading View. Righto, Trading View. I do all my analysis on Trading View. I do most of my trading on MT5. I've still got, hang on, how many? I'm just looking at my accounts down here. I've got one, it's MT5, MT4, MT4, MT5, 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 MT5. Yeah, so most of it's done on MT5. Analysis is done on TradingView. This is just a sample size of Forex pairs and gold, and a few pairs down the bottom we just have a look at for more out of curiosity. I'm not a trade signal provider. It's in alphabetical order. You'll see each pair is highlighted in different colors. Generally, if it's in orange, means I want to talk about it in this video. Light blue means trade on and some action's been taken, normally trade management. It's not highlighted, which is none, except for these three bottom ones, which are never highlighted. Means there's no trade on. Dark blue means there's a trade on and no action taken, so it's only gold. There is one new trade for Monday, and you're looking at it. Australian USD. I've already marked it up. Now, generally, you'll see on my price chart, you'll see the pair, the date, the signal, and my thoughts behind the trade and my stop loss. So in this case, we've got a new buy trade on Monday, the 12th of February. I've already written it up because I know. If you're looking at MT4, MT5, you will not see that green QMP filtered dot. That won't be there until the market actually opens on Monday morning. With TradingView, it's a little bit different. So it gives you a bit of a heads up, so I know exactly what's coming on Monday. Now, assuming the market's going to open pretty close to where it closed, and generally these days it does, so it's no big deal. Let's go back through it. We're still in a sell trade from the 3rd of Jan. So over here we got it, and there's my trade management. Now, these are all these trades are called at the time. Obviously, I'm calling this 2 days before this one, so that's Captain Obvious. The stop in place for there. So these are all called at the time. A screenshot's taken of the trades, shared in all the groups, the JAGfx Facebook group, Telegram channels, and the Family Man Discord channel. So, and all the screenshots go in a shared folder everyone's got access to. There's been over 1,000 trades called. Any trade management's also called at the time. So it's all very transparent. There's no after the fact sort of stuff here. For me, the new daily candle opens at 5 a.m. local. Most of the time, my alarm's set for 6:30, so I don't get out of bed till about an hour and a half. Not much happens in that time anyway, so it's not a big deal. So this sell, we're in a sell here. We've dragged the stop down. We can't lose on that sell, so all good there. Took this buy here. Nice support level. There's hidden bullish divergence. Took the buy here, and the stop was there. I left this on the chart. You can read. Here it is here. Buy signal. Stopped out on the 5th of Feb for a full loss. You wouldn't believe it. It was only by a couple of pips. There on that candle there. Just touched the stop. Touched the stop. I knew this was going to happen. And on Monday, we've got a new buy signal. So basically, with this buy here, was stopped out for a full loss. We've got this sell on, which helps offset that loss. Now, we started initially with hidden divergence, hidden bullish divergence. Now we've got regular bullish divergence. So it's a bit of a 1-2. Now, people have asked me about hedging, in the especially in the Telegram thing, because we've been discussing a bit in the Telegram channel. Now, I'm going to show you, this is an example where I would hedge. Because this initial buy trade was on hidden bullish divergence, and we had an opposite QMP filter, I would have hedged there. Then I'm taking a second buy here. Now, just to show you what that is. Now, I'll just bring up this my multi-trade spreadsheet here. So this buy here, wait a sec, I'll just drag this down a bit so you can see the open. So the open price is up here, up the top here, right? So the open of that candle there is the same as that, 65972. Have a look across the high, across the top there, 65972. There's a sell open there, 6525. Geez, I've messed it up. Sorry, I'll fix that up. Open there, 65972. What have I done here? Open, 64825. You idiot, Jim. 64825, 64825. Now, I don't know what the price for the new buy is. So that's buy trade was for one lot, 0.1 lot. This sell trade is going to be for 0.1 lot. So I'll be locking in a loss between there and there. Now, this second buy trade is going to be for 0.3. I'm just using this as an example. This is not the sequence you always have to use, but I'm just going to use this as an example. So next week, we'll have another look at this and see how we go. We'll put the entry in there on Monday. I might even post it in the groups just to show you. And there's something wrong with this spreadsheet. I'll fix it up. There's something wrong here with the sizing. I'll fix all that up. Don't worry, it's hedged at the moment. It's hedged. So this is probably, I've really messed this example up. Not only have I put the wrong price in, these aren't calculating right, but I'll fix it all up. It's hedged at the moment. Trust me. There's no break even. It's hedged. So we'll fix that up. Damn, that was a bummer. All right, let's move along. So we've got a new buy trade on Monday. This sell trade, this buy trade was stopped out for full loss, and we still got the sell trade on. So let's just move on. It's taken 10 minutes to explain all that, and I've got nowhere. CAD Swiss highlighted in orange. What happened here? Right, we're in the sell trade from yeah, all right. 29th of September, we're in the sell trade, and it was stopped out on the 7th of February. So through here, I'd say that one there, that candle there, bang through the stop, stopped out. Took a buy on the 17th. It's still in this trade. We put a new buy signal 9th of Jan, closed half 19th of Jan. So let's have a look, where was that? Closed half on the open of this candle. So there, dragged the stop up. It came down very close to my stop and has ground up again. So we're still in this buy. So that's good. Life's good there. And we're in a sell from the 25th of Jan. And that's this one here. Stop there. We come within about 4 pips of the stop loss. We came very close to being stopped out. The good thing is we had a big win from the sell here, and we can't lose on this buy. So we get stopped out on the sell. It's not the end of the world. There was an opposite QMP filter dot. I'm not going to take that, close that out, because we're that close to the stop anyway, so it's no big deal. So the CAD Swiss, and like I said, I just leave these trades on the charts for the weekend video. I'll tidy up all these charts after, and I'll fix up that spreadsheet. That was embarrassing, that spreadsheet, wasn't it? I messed that up completely. Euro CAD. In a sell still from the 22nd of January. It's just going nowhere fast. Can't lose. We've already, you can see there, 31st of Jan, that was being here somewhere. Yep, moved the stop down, closed half, moved the stop down. Look, I'm waiting for this to go somewhere. It's just gone sideways horrendously for a long time. We can't lose, so it's all good. Euro pound, pretty sure we're in a sell here if it comes up. And a buy. All right, we're still in the sell from the 4th of Jan. Can't lose on that. Stops down. We've come very close to stop a couple of times. Can't lose. In the meantime, took this buy here, and as soon as we took the buy, next candle straight down towards this support level here, and literally bounced off it again. This buy is on hidden, regular divergence. I'm pretty sure it's regular. I have it written as regular. Yeah, so it's a high risk trade into the trend. But the good thing is we've still got the sell on, so we can't lose on the sell. That's a gimme. And the buy, even though when it is against me, my stops down here hasn't been threatened. The stops below that support level, so we just give them a bit of. So yeah, it's come down, hit the support level. Hopefully it's bouncing back up again. And I don't mind if it takes out this stop on the sell, because it means the buy's in profit. So we're looking okay on the euro pound. So we can't lose on the sell, and the buy, we're sort of no man's land, halfway between the entry and the stop. So it's all good. Euro USD, very similar to the pound. The good thing is we're in a sell from the 3rd of Jan, and 18th of Jan closed half, so I'm thinking that might be in here somewhere where it came down towards the moving averages. Didn't get much profit there, but I can drag this stop down. I probably will. I'm expecting a buy coming up. I didn't close. We had a buy here. So where's this? Let's get this organised here. So 2nd of Feb, took a buy, and immediately it's gone against me. That was the non-farm payroll news. So it's gone down towards my stop, hasn't touched the stop, had an opposite QMP filter dot. I declined to close it because I've stood at the sell on, and I was hoping this would hold, and it has held. You could probably make an argument, see this low here, also to the left. It looks all very small. I don't know why. Hang on a sec. I should have probably drawn this in this before, but we got this low over here, so you could make an argument that that's like a support level there. So it's come very close to my stop and starting to bounce up again. So it's all good. And what I'll look at doing is bringing this stop down on the sell, possibly above these highs here, locking a bit of profit there. And hopefully this will just continue up. MACD platinum's below the 0 level, so we're in buy mode. This is one you could hedge also, and it would be a fair like take the buy, take the sell, then take the second buy. Pound CAD, highlighted in orange, means, yeah, got stopped out of a trade. So this had already been stopped out of the sell. I think we took the sell. This buy from the 28th of December, it was stopped out. So closed half on the 12th of Jan. So in here, closed half up here. Dragged the stop up. I couldn't really take my stop anywhere else. It's come down and stopped me out. So we didn't. We had a winner, small overall profit, which is good. So we're in no trades at the moment. That's a pound CAD, pound yen, highlighted in orange. The good thing is we're in this buy from, when's it buy? 15th of December. So that's good. We 9th of Jan closed half. Where was that? 9th of Jan. Up here, closed half. And in the meantime, I've dragged my stop up. So my stop now is up here, which is good. And we took this sell here on the 30th of Jan. Had this little candle poke down and MACD pattern close to zero level, but it was a high risk trade, poke down, that sort of candle pattern there. I closed half on this one here. So that's the 2nd of Feb. I closed half and brought my stop down, and eventually was stopped out on the 8th of Feb. So small, just a small overall profit. So half was closed there, so it's a bigger space to there, to the entry, and the other half was there. So just a small, I think I called it in the Telegram channel, massive 24 pips or something. And in the meantime, we're heading towards this high again. There was it's a buy signal there, you could call it. I'm already at a buy, and I just don't like this, that price is at a high already. And plus it's a yen pair, and the MACD platinum's right on the zero level. So it's one I'm a little bit reluctant to do. I didn't take it. There's no need to. So I'm out of the sell for a small profit, very small profit, and we're still in this buy. We can't lose. So looking good on the pound yen. Pound USD, another one highlighted. Yeah. This one's going to be a little bit tricky. Took a buy here. Non-farm payroll news come out and just destroyed us. Straight through the stop for a full loss on the 5th of Feb. So we took the buy on the 2nd of Feb. Now, you got to watch the correlation between the Aussie USD, the Euro USD, and the Pound USD, especially around non-farm payroll news. It's probably silly me having these three in this watch list together, but they're three of the biggest pairs traded, so I'll just keep them there. So yeah, just hit. So the buy signal's here. There's been no reverse yet. There's been no red QMP filter dot. Took the stop out. This support level here is the 1.25, big round number. You can see it's hit there. It sort of struggles around it a bit. You can see it there. Now we've come back down to it, and we're going back in the buy mode. Now, there's nowhere I can draw a sort of trend line at the moment. It's been a tough sideways market. I could have considered getting back in on this green dot because I can't draw a trend line for a trend line break. I could have got in here, and I might even consider it on Monday. This bit of a support level here. Is it going to become resistance? Who knows? It's a bit messy. I might just give it a miss and just concentrate on the Aussie and the Euro for now. But you could have got in for another buy here. That wouldn't have been a bad trade to take after being stopped out on this initial one. Talk about trendline breaks. New Zealand CAD. All right, here we go. Another one that just stopped us out by a few pips. All right, let's have a look at this. Right, let's start off with a sell all the way back on the 6th of December. We can't lose on that. So it's eventually had a drop down. We couldn't really drag the stop down much more. We can't lose on that. We're getting closer to stop on the sell. So that's good as gold. So let's ignore the sell. We can't lose. In the meantime, we're going to mess this up. Just mess it up. Right, doesn't matter. So I took this buy on the 25th of Jan. It didn't go anywhere. Then bang, took me out by, stopped out for a full loss on the 5th of Feb. So I reckon that's that candle there by a couple of pips. Like the Aussie, sometimes that happens, but twice on the same chart, getting a bit annoying. So that buy signal's still valid. So even though we're stopped out, I've drawn this trend line across the highs here. Now we've got a break here of the trend line, took a second buy, bang. So this second buy is here, stop loss for that is here, that's this one called here. You can see it's a high risk trade, market structure heading down. Second attempt at a buy, initially hidden, so there's hidden bullish divergence followed by regular divergence, so the old 1-2 and divergence. If you just look for that pattern and all your trading, you do all right. You trust me, it happens a lot. So you got hidden divergence followed by regular divergence. Trendline break, buy signal still valid. Take the buy, stops there, bang, straight up, gone up nicely. Pulled back down towards the trend line and bounced up nicely. So that's looking good. That's when it works. That's a good little bit of price action there. So that's all good on the buy, and what I'll look at is just keep an eye on the MACD Platinum's getting up close to zero level. Then I'll look at closing half. Hopefully it'll pop up through the stop, close the sell out for a profit, and that'll help offset some of that loss in that initial buy. And we've got this second buy. Hopefully we can close half and probably bring the stop up here and lock in profit and help offset that loss, previous loss also. So New Zealand CAD looking good at the moment. New Zealand Swiss franc, highlighted in orange, took a while to get going, but our buy trade, which I eventually took here. All right, let's go back to the sell trade. So we took a sell trade on the 13th of December. It went nowhere fast. 5th of Jan closed half, so I'm thinking in here somewhere, yeah. Closed half, eventually dragged my stop down there, bang, popped through on the 7th of Feb. So 7th of Feb, stopped out for an overall profit, so we didn't lose on that sell trade, which is good. This buy trade, the initial stop was down 52434. We come very close, so that's, what did I say, 434, so about in there somewhere. So we come very close to that stop. Didn't get stopped out. Oh, we just. So, yes, it does work. See, sometimes you get stopped out by a couple of pips, sometimes you're saved by a couple of pips. So it tends to work itself out all in the end. So we've gone up, bang, and 9th of Feb I've closed half. So I should have closed half on this, open this candle. I didn't. I did it on the open this candle here, so it shot up. So we can't lose on the buy, had a win on the sell. So no complaints. Like I said, I'll just leave it on the chart to show you when I stopped out. So it's all good. USD CAD, still in this sell trade from, no, I closed it. Sorry, my bad. All right, took a sell trade here. Hidden bearish divergence. Got an opposite QMP filter dot. I closed it. Now, this is one I would hedge. No problems at all. It didn't break the previous high, and as you can see, it's come down again back towards my entry level. But we took the loss here. So on the open of this candle here, I closed for a loss on an opposite QMP filter dot. Now, the MACD Platinum is still above the zero level. We've got a red dot and potential at the grey vertical line is a warning signal, red dot. So potential new sell signal coming, second attempt at it. Now we've got this resistance level and price. Yeah, probably should have stayed in this one in hindsight, but it could have got up through the stop, who knows. So USD CAD, we're out of that, but looking for potential re-entry. Gold, XAU, USD, gold. Going nowhere fast, took this buy here. We've had opposite QMP filter dots, a couple of them, a new buy signal here. We're still in it. This is the 2000 level, all right? This is a 2000, big round number. So it's like a magnet, and price is heading back towards it again. My stop's below it, so I'm just going to ride it out. It's going to break one way eventually. At the moment, we're sort of in no man's land, halfway between my entry and the stop, or just a bit to the entry side, going nowhere fast. So I was in here, potential second entry there, as I called in the groups, but it hasn't really popped up convincing yet. I don't know why people get excited by gold, but yeah. All right, next three, just more for curiosity. US dollar, so it's US dollar against that six basket of 6 currencies. Last signal was a sell. So there's a sell here. So this is a good one. Here we go again. This is a good example. Hidden divergence, hidden bearish divergence there. Bang, take the sell, you could have hedged it, take the second sell there. So we've got hidden divergence followed by regular divergence. See that? That's a common pattern. Two divergences. So, you know, it could prove me wrong. Price could go up, who knows. But if you had hedged that, like in with one lot there, in with one lot there, in with three lots here, you should be able to work your way out, at least break even. At least break even. US dollar, US 500 stock market. We broke this high, it's still going up, still grinding up. Last signal was a sell, opposite QMP, fill the dot. I'd be tempted to get out. I wouldn't stay in. It's look at the moving averages. They're spreading. They're stacked. They're spreading to the upside. Yeah. BTC, USD, Bitcoin is bang taken off again. I'll get rid of that line because that was a warning line. So last signal was this buy here. MACD platinum below the zero level. Hidden bullish divergence. Nice buy signal, and it's proved to be a good one as we're heading up back towards the 50,000 level. Went sideways there a bit and bang, off she goes, up. What's going on there? So, all right, what I'm going to do, because it's only 26 minutes, I am going to fix this spreadsheet up. Let's see, where's my spreadsheets? I'll take one out of my 8-hour charts. I'm pretty sure I've got the Aussie in there. Yeah, that'll do. I'll pause the video while I do this. All right, sorry about that. We're back on the Aussie. Fixed up the spreadsheet. Well, sort of fixed it up. So that's where we're at the moment. We had a buy here. Sorry about this mess up. Buy there. Took the sell there, so it's the same size. So 0.1, 0.1. There's the entry prices for both. And we're now hedged, all right? So hedged. So there's no break-even price. Our next buy, we don't know what price it's going to be yet. We have to wait till Monday's open or when I take the trade. It'll be in here somewhere, so it'll be around what we close at. So for example, I'll just say we'll just use the close price, right? So that closed at 65243. So 065. What's I say? 243. So say we just use that as an example. So we're now 3 long, and there's the break-even price, 65625. So 65, what did I say? 625 is in 65625. About there. So it hasn't got that far to go, just up to that 65, roughly 625 level. So 65625 level. Not even, you don't have a shocker. Around there somewhere. That's as high as price has got to go to get to the break even. And hopefully it'll go through that. So that's that spreadsheet. Now, sorry about that. I've dragged this video out long enough. Guys and girls, thanks for watching. If you do like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That's always appreciated. And be careful on the rest of the weekend. Stay safe. And I'll talk to you good folk later. Cheers.